Yo, it is 7 o'clock on the dot.
It's 7 o'clock on the dot.
In the morning, on my way to the Cars and Coffee cruise. I think that, yeah, 7 o'clock Cars and Coffee cruise at Bowie Town Center. I gotta put some oil in my car because the oil is fucking low. I'm stock as shit. Y'all right, I do need something done. God damn it. If it's too light, I'm sorry y'all, but I'm still like learning stuff with the light. That's what I'm trying to get some hours, man. Where's Vince at?
There you go.
Hey, you know Vince, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
I swear I see this dude like all the time.
Oh wow, he took it to the interior.
Thank you. Thank you.
I feel like you put a punch.
This is VIP.
Oh, it is?
I know. These dudes are like hella buff. Some of these guys. See, I always seen it on YouTube, but I've never seen it like in person. Like his Charger. This shit sounds nice.
For it, it'll be going GT35, GT35
Yo, I haven't seen this freaking car since he wrapped the hood. Running over cones and shit. Yo, son. talking about this. Those are all the cars you have? Yourself.
chest pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.